Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Sharing books. Welcome to your local library, said Mr. Watkins. Who wants to take home a book today?
Oh, no, said Kate. I didn't bring any money.
No worries. You don't need money because the books are free, Mr. Watkins said. You check out books with your library card. Then you take good care of the books and bring them back for others to read.
I'm interested in trucks, said Indy.
I know just the book, said Mr. Watkins. How does Wheels look?
Great,
said Indy.
I like rhyming stories and animals, said Tex.
Mr. Watkins thought. How about, can you make a giraffe laugh? Or, I'll see you in the zoo. The kindergartners used their very own library cards to check out their books.
I can't believe we get to keep these books for 3 whole weeks,
said Eli. After school, Tex and Indy's sister, Arizona, said,
Wheels looks cool. Is it okay if I look at it?
Sure, said Indy.
Library books are for sharing.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.